Hi everyone, Stuart here. Welcome to a new week. It's Monday, July the 8th, and dollars cooled some of the gains it had on Friday's close, following up the better than expected headline for NFP coming in at 225,000 compared to the 160,000 that was expected. But as I said on Friday, the earnings data was not great, and the previous month had also been revised down. That very week 75,000 been revised down another 2 or 3,000. So overall detail, it wasn't great, although the headline was a big beat. So we had the dollar rallying here. Euro fell as low as 12.06. 112.06 on Friday. We've recovered a bit over the Asian session there, dipped a wee bit, and it's not quite sure where we're going from here at the moment. Obviously, I would say the resistance as the top of the Bollinger Band comes down here to this 112.40 top, and the support down here at 112.15 zone today. German production was better than expected, and the trade balance is also better than expected, so some actual positive data out of Germany. Also affecting the euro was the win for the centre-right party in the Greek elections as well, so that's been a relatively positive bit, Philip. For the euro, pound continues to come under pressure. It moved all the way down under the key 125 handle post NFP, and before that, in fact, on Friday, it's ticked up a wee bit. But again, over the weekend, there's political talk. Remember, it's the Brexit talk and the political uncertainty that's holding sterling down at the moment, and that continues to rumble on. Although Boris Johnson is expected to be anointed as Prime Minister later this month, there's quite a strong Euro-phobe cabal within the Tory party, and apparently 20 to 30 MPs may in fact vote against a no-deal Brexit. And remember, the no-deal Brexit was something that Mr. Johnson has very much on the table for the 31st of October, so they will join with the opposition parties and block that in Parliament. So again, logjam in the UK Parliament potentially, and that obviously hinders sterling moving up. So this key, all eyes on 125 again. We're up a wee bit this morning at 125.25, but again sliding sideways. Not a great deal of news moving now, but the trend remains very much to the downside. A huge down week. If I just take you up to the weekly here, big down week for cable last week. So definitely want to watch. I say intraday we're pivoting around 125.25, and finally the yen. We rallied to 108.62. Some weak Japanese data as well overnight post the NFP announcement. But then we've come back down again. The yen very relatively on the bid today, breaking another 20 period moving average there, moving down, but support sits here at 108.25. Obviously with a big fat support at the psychological 108. I said finally, let's just have a quick look at oil and gold. Gold closed under, if I can find it here. Here we are. Gold closed under 1400 on Friday's close, but intraday we're back over that key level and ticking up. Big candles we broke through 1400 this morning, 1406 at the moment, but pivoting around 1400. And finally, oil 57.50 is the key pivot and support here with a 200 period as well. Okay, take care, safe trading, and we'll see you all later. All the best. Bye bye.